Hey guys, Josh Mason here from the Detox Dudes. I am insanely impressed with the Nano-V. This is the Nano-V EXO, and I've been using it every day for 2 weeks. The second I wake up, my body immediately craves it. My body, my mind, my spirit gravitates towards it. If I ever don't want to meditate, I use this machine to force me to meditate because I put it on and I'm just sitting here, and so I end up meditating every morning. So there's a double win there. But I feel a sense of peace, of clarity, of regeneration in my brain. It's done something for me that I don't think I've ever found any other machine do. Other machines tend to like detoxify my body, or if I'm really stressed, I don't feel like using a lot of machines because they throw me a little further off balance. This machine, it's a miracle. I don't even understand the true science of it. I'm just learning about it in its full, but this machine is definitely doing something on a repair level, on a DNA level. It is harmonizing. It's not a deep detoxification process, or it's not throwing me off balance. I can use this machine anytime, at night before bed, in the morning when I wake up, while I'm working. Like, there honestly doesn't seem to be a bad time to use it. So any true biohacker, anyone who's really on a journey of healing, of awakening, of cellular repair, the Nano-V is mission critical. The first time I ever used it was about 5 years ago. I used it for 15 minutes and I felt like almost like I was on drugs in a very subtle way. And I was asking the doctor, like, what is that thing? And I talked about it. And now 5 years later, I got one of my own, and it's the same experience, a subtle increase of lucidity, peace, calm, and just this feeling of regeneration. It's hard to describe, but anyone who's really in tune with their body and the subtleties are going to absolutely love and value what this machine does. So again, highly recommend the Nano-V. I'm definitely impressed, and I'm still learning the science because it's a miracle. So, okay, talk to you soon, guys. Ciao.